Good morning. This is Mark Stone from Sales Tax Defense. And this morning we're going to talk about what happens when you don't pay your taxes on time to the government. Well, n- not a surprise to anyone. When you don't pay your taxes on time to the government, they send you a bill. And on that bill, they also add what I call the bonuses. The bonuses being a 30 or 40% penalty. And they charge you interest somewhere between 12 and 18% on that outstanding money. And as everybody knows, unfortunately, our banks, our brokerage accounts are not regularly returning 18% interest to us. So what do you do about it? So the government allows for penalties to be bated if you can demonstrate reasonable cause. Reasonable cause usually means that something outside of your control, something outside of the business's control, caused the taxes to be late filed and late paid. A fire, a flood, illness, or the absenteeism of a key employee. Those are things that can be reasonable cause. Bad business, just things got slow, is not reasonable cause. When the state grants reasonable cause relief, when they grant penalty relief, they usually waive the penalty in its entirety, and they also reduce the interest rate from 18% in some cases down to 12% or even lower. So it is always something that you should attempt to do when you owe the state back money because it can represent a savings of somewhere between 25 and 50% of the assessment. And I've seen some assessments that are 15 years old that are $100,000 in tax and close to $1 million of interest and penalties. So just by getting those penalties waived, you might be able to reduce that assessment by more than $500,000. So it's really something that you should at least make an attempt for. Please feel free to reach out if you need any help with it. Thank you. I hope you found this information useful. Again, my name was Mark Stone. I'm with Sales Tax Defense. And if you need to reach us, you can call us at 631 491 1500, or you can find us on the web at www.salestaxdefense.com. Thank you. Bye bye.